Number 1. 1995 Nissan Regular Cab, price $4,000, well-preserved example of a reliable, fuel-efficient classic. Finished in a vibrant red exterior with a clean gray interior, it features a manual transmission that offers a more connected and responsive driving experience. The gasoline engine runs at 100%, delivering smooth and confident performance on the road. The vehicle shows no signs of rust or oxidation, and the paint remains in excellent condition. Inside, the cabin is in great shape, with a tidy and well-maintained interior. It rides on a solid set of tires, making it not only a dependable daily driver but also a head-turner. This Nissan drives smoothly, reflecting the care it has received over the years, a beautiful, rust-free truck ready for the road. Number 2. 1981 Toyota Hilux, price $7,900, all-original pickup powered by the reliable 22 or 4-cylinder engine. With just 108,000 miles on the odometer, it features a 4-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it an economical and engaging vehicle to drive. The truck is finished in white with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. Although it doesn't come with air conditioning, the simplicity adds to its vintage charm. It has a cracked windshield and a fuel filter that needs replacement. The fourth gear occasionally pops out, and there are rust holes on the bed, common for a vehicle of this age. Despite these issues, the truck has been garage-kept and presents well with its low stance and straight pipe exhaust. It's a fun and eye-catching ride for any old-school truck enthusiast. Number 3. 1991 Mazda B2200, price $6,600, rare find and an excellent choice for collectors, mini truck enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a reliable and fuel-efficient cruiser. With only 118,000 miles on the odometer, this classic compact truck still runs and drives well. It's powered by a 2.2L 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and easy driving experience. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, the truck maintains a timeless look that turns heads. As a rear-wheel drive vehicle, it delivers that classic truck feel, and it comes with a clean title, ensuring peace of mind for the next owner. Trucks like this, especially in such well-preserved condition, are becoming harder to find. Number 4. 1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000, well-maintained and dependable classic pickup with 178,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and a gasoline engine that runs strong, making it a solid performer on the road. The truck is finished in a timeless black exterior that pairs nicely with its clean tan interior, giving it a classic yet functional look. Equipped with power windows, this Sierra offers added comfort and convenience for daily use. The air conditioning system is in place but currently requires a Freon recharge to be fully operational. Despite this minor issue, the vehicle starts easily, drives well, and handles reliably. Number 5. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,800, with 190,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior, it still runs and drives strong despite its age. Under the hood is the reliable 5.7L V8 engine that delivers the classic Chevy power enthusiasts expect. This model is equipped with a long bed, offering plenty of room for hauling gear, tools, or cargo, perfect for work or weekend adventures. It has been lifted, giving it an aggressive stance that stands out on the road or trail. The truck sits on rugged off-road tires, enhancing its capability and adding to its bold appearance. It comes with a clean title in hand, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a classic American pickup with both utility and style. Number 6. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500. This pickup is a solid running and driving truck, currently showing 276,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a black exterior, and a tan interior. Powered by a gasoline engine, it performs reliably with no fluid leaks. Although it does need a new battery, unless the seller installs one beforehand, the truck remains in great mechanical condition. Having spent time in the dusty conditions of West Texas, it's a bit dirty and could use some cosmetic attention. The exterior was repainted over a decade ago, but the clear coat has since begun to peel. Despite the cosmetic flaws, this truck would make a great starting point for a project or serve well as a first vehicle for a new driver looking to cruise around locally. It's a dependable vehicle with character, just waiting for a little care or customization. Number 7. 1964 Ford F100, price $3,800, solid project truck with great potential for a patina-style build. It has approximately 90,000 miles on it and comes equipped with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in green, and while the interior details aren't fully specified, it presents a good foundation for restoration or customization. The truck currently runs and drives but requires a jump start, as it needs a new battery. It comes with a clean title and includes several new parts to help get the restoration started. Included in the sale are brand new front and rear bumpers, a new steering column, a new windshield complete with rubber trim, a new carpet kit, and various other dash components. Additionally, a replacement set of floor pans is provided, as the originals need repair. Number 8. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500. It comes with a brand new motor and transmission, both of which have less than 6,500 miles on them. Receipts are available to verify the work. The truck also features a completely rebuilt front end, new tires, and a new exhaust system equipped with dual 8-inch cherry bomb glass packs, giving it an aggressive, deep rumble. While the truck is mechanically sound, it does need a paint job and some interior work to be fully restored. The exterior is finished in red, and the interior is gray. It has an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. This Sierra comes with a clear title, making it an excellent foundation for someone looking for a reliable classic with fresh mechanicals. Number 9. 1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. Under the hood, it boasts a strong-running 454 big block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering the kind of power and performance that made this era of Chevy trucks legendary. The truck features a bold blue exterior with a matching blue interior, staying true to its vintage roots while maintaining a cohesive and eye-catching look. This Scottsdale runs on gasoline and has received a number of recent upgrades to ensure it's both reliable and enjoyable to drive. It comes with brand new tires for improved traction, a new battery for dependable starts, and new brakes to ensure safety and performance. In addition, a new 3-inch exhaust system has been installed, giving the truck a deep, aggressive tone that matches its big block performance. While the body shows some rust in the usual spots for a truck of this vintage, it's structurally sound and presents well overall. This truck comes with a clean title, already registered in the current owner's name, making it an easy transfer for the next enthusiast. Number 10. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,900. It has 248,000 miles on it and is equipped with a 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and shifts well, making it a reliable workhorse despite its age. The truck features a white exterior with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. It's fitted with a ranch hand brush guard and infab step bars, adding to its rugged, off-road ready look. The body is solid overall, although there is a noticeable dent on the tailgate. It does need some attention, including a new AC compressor, tires, and some other miscellaneous repairs. This vehicle is being sold on behalf of a neighbor and would be a good project for someone looking for a dependable 4x4 with character.